I'm gonna show you how to make a homemade kombucha. So it's really easy and doesn't take much time. And you need only some black tea, Scoby and sugar. So nothing too complicated. Okay, so first what we need is some Scoby. So it's best to order your Scoby first online, and I got mine from Amazon. I will leave the link down below where you can order it online. Okay. Then as well I need a measuring cup, some organic black tea, thermometer, scale, and as well some cloth for covering kombucha, and also a 2-liter glass jar. And also I'll need some sugar for fermentation. Okay. First, we have to add 8 tea bags of organic black tea. So I just added 8 tea bags. And I have some boiled water. Okay. Okay, so the tea will have to wait for around 30 minutes, and then I will remove the tea bags. Okay, so it's been around 30 minutes since I made the tea. I'm gonna remove the tea bags. Okay, now the next step is to add the sugar. Okay, because we need some sugar for fermentation. So I need around 150 grams of sugar. Okay, first I'm gonna tear my cup. Okay, perfect. That's 150 grams of sugar. And I'll mix well. Okay. Okay, so at the moment the temperature is around 70 degrees Celsius. So it's too hot for Scoby, and we have to wait until it's around 28 or less. Okay, so cooling the tea might take a few hours. So I will leave it now and come back once it's ready. Okay, so now I'm gonna check the temperature again. I left it actually for a few hours to cool down. Okay, so as I can see, the temperature remains at 26.3, okay, which is suitable for Scoby. Okay. Okay. So I have Scoby with some previous kombucha batch, and I'm gonna just let it go in the tea so that it could ferment. Oops. Okay, oops, too much. Okay, so Scoby has a new tea. Okay, so now this is ready. I just have to cover it up, and I will put this cloth on top. And I will keep Scoby in a dark place for at least 2 weeks. I will have to observe how the color changes of the liquid, and it might take 2 weeks, might take 3 weeks, but I will constantly taste kombucha to see when it's ready. And then after that, I will remove the Scoby and I will repeat the procedure and prepare the new brew and do the second fermentation. So I'm gonna keep it in a dark place for at least 2 to 3 weeks until it ferments and all the sugar will be gone. Then after that, it's time for the second fermentation. So I will remove the Scoby again with a bit of its liquid and place it in the separate bowl and prepare the next tea and take all the liquid out and place it in bottle that you can close with a lid and keep trying it to observe how the taste changes, and once it gets fizzy you can start consuming it. And I'm gonna keep the ready kombucha in the fridge. So this was my video explaining how to make kombucha at home. So I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.